Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a sweet cinnamon roll from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute puppy, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. Nice and big and tall. And now that I have that oval in, I'm going to come right across pretty wide because the face is kind of wide. So I'll say about, let's just say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw another oval. There. So 2 eyes in, and then in between the eyes, I'm going to draw the mouth. So let's say about right here. This is about my center. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw 2 curves coming out. So 1, and then same thing over here. And 2. There. And then let's see here, we can come over each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So his face is basically kind of the basic dumpling shape I gave to all my characters. So let's come to the top of his eyes and we're going to come out nice and wide. Let's just say about right here. Just give myself a point and same thing. Oh, same thing. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw this curve that comes up to here. And it's going to slant more because it's a little bit narrow at the top. So let's go ahead and we're just going to go up. And let's see here. I'm just going to skip a little bit of space so that put in the ears later. But just if you're using a pencil, just finish that curve. And then we're going to bring it up high, nice to the top. So this is my center. So say about right here. That's my center. And then I'm going to bring down a curve coming down. So just remember it's a little bit narrower at the top. So it's going to slant a little bit more as we come to, oops, and I forgot. Okay, well, let's just pretend I'm using a pencil. I forgot to put in that little gap. So, okay, so hopefully you're just using a pencil at home and you would just draw this big curve. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to round it off for the cheek area. So it's going to be wider right here where the eyes are. And I'll go in there and erase a little bit later. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring it in. And same thing here. There. Then from there, let's see, let's bring this in a little bit more. We're not going to close it off because the heart is going to pop out. So I'm just going to bring it to about the end of where the eyes are. To about right here on both sides. So now that I have that shape in, let's go ahead and we're going to work on the body before we draw the ears. So let's come about right here. And we're just going to draw a small curve coming out. So this is for the body. So, I need to bring this in a little bit more. And about right here. Draw a curve coming out. And then let's bring this out a little bit more. Then from there, let's go ahead and come back into this area right here. And we're going to draw a hand. So we're just going to draw a very simple hand. Just curve and bring it in. So same thing here. On the other side, curve and bring it in. Now that we have that, let's find our center. So about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point and we're going to draw our heart. So the heart's going to pop up above this curve. So we're going to pop up, just draw a big curve that fits into the hand area. So same thing here. And I'm going to bring this point down about to here and just imagine this is coming through to create our heart. And same thing over here. There, so we have our heart. Then from there, whatever space you have left, you can go ahead and just finish off your curve. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, you would just finish this big dumpling shape. It makes it a little bit easier, I think. So then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more to to say about right there, kind of past the hands a little bit, and then we're going to come out and pop up a curve for the feet. So one big curve, same thing here, one big curve, and let's bring it down to about right here. Just going to bring it in. Same thing over here, and in the center we're just going to go ahead and connect with a soft curve for the bottom. There. Hopefully that's nice and simple, right? Okay, so then from there to make this white puppy extra special, we needed to put in those awesome floppy ears. So we're going to come to the top right here where it slants down, and we're going to draw a curve coming down, and then we're going to come out nice and long. So let's say about right here, and come in a little bit, and then we're going to make this part a little bit rounder, nice and full, and then just bring it in. There. Long enough, right? I'm going to make it a little bit, you know what, let's make this a little bit fuller. Make the bottom a little bit fuller. There. So let's do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And once again, we're just going to try our best to make it about the same size as the other. And bring it down to about right here, just like the other side. And once again, let's flop this out. And we want to end about the same area. So I'm just going to come about right here and give myself a point. So let's just say about right here. And let's go ahead and pop this out. Make it nice and round. And connect. So I'm going to hit my point and connect everything. There. Yay, we did it. So hopefully I helped you with that. So just give yourself some points, and hopefully that will help. Now that we're pretty much done with the drawing, I'm going to come back in here really quick and erase about right here. You don't have to put it in this gap, but the original has a little gap right here, so that's I'm kind of following that. But it doesn't really matter, I think. But it has a little gap there, and then I'm going to fix my ear right here. So everything is in white, so it's nice. Don't have to color over this part, so I can just white it out. There. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just color this really quickly. So the eyes are like a blue. So I'm going to come right here and just shade this in all blue. If you don't want the harsh black line, you can always just use a blue marker and draw the eyes. So same thing here. Making one side a little bit darker. Not sure if the camera will pick it up. There. Just to give it some sparkle. Okay, and then from there I'm just going to use a colored pencil just so that it's softer. And I'm going to come about right here and draw an oval for some cheeks. But you can use a marker too if you don't have a colored pencil. And I'll just draw an oval right here. There, and same thing right across. There, so hopefully my camera will pick that up for you to see, but you just want to put in an oval right here and here. And then that is pretty much it, and then we're going to go ahead for the face, and then I'm going to go ahead and color in this heart. I'm just going to use this fuchsia color, hot pink. But of course you can make it red or any color you want your heart to be. And if you like, because everything is white, you can come in here. If you have a very light gray marker or color pencil, you can just come in here and just put in some shadows just to make it a little bit more complete. Not sure the camera will pick it up, but if you have a light gray, it just really brings the drawing to life. So that's not flat and white. And let's see, just to make it a little bit darker. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Cinnamoroll here turned out holding a heart, and that I helped you draw him fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.